Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling that annoying chirp from smoke detectors. Whether it's battery operated or hardwired with a battery backup, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, a single chirp every minute usually means a low battery. I'll show you how to replace the battery. If your unit is hardwired, like my smoke and carbon monoxide detector, remember it still has a battery backup. Let's open the compartment, remove the old battery, and pop in a new one, making sure it's the right way around. What if the chirping doesn't stop? It's time to troubleshoot. For hardwired units, you'll want to power cycle the alarm. Turn off the circuit breaker. Disconnect the unit, press the test reset button for 30 seconds, then put it all back together and turn the power back on. Still chirping? Dust might be the culprit. Cut the power again, take down the unit and give it a good clean with compressed air. Check the battery contacts too. They should be straight and make good contact. Here's a pro tip. Check your detector's manufacture date. Combined units like mine last 5 to 7 years and smoke detectors up to 10 years. If it's older, replace it, even if the chirping stops. Some new models have batteries that last as long as the alarm itself. Alright, that's a wrap. With these tips, you should have a silent and functional smoke detector. Remember, regular maintenance is key for your safety. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Stay safe and see you in the next video where we'll tackle another common household fix. Until then, keep your home secure and your alarms in check.